Alright, we are at the Holiday Inn Express in Chicago on Wabash. We are on the 10th floor. I have 2 rooms for Lollapalooza. The bathroom is fine, but the room is definitely a little bit smaller than I expected.
Okay.
And there's no refrigerator. So they did give me 2 free water bottles for each room when I checked in, and 2 bags of potato chips. So this is the room. We're not staying in this room. We're staying. The other 4 girls are staying in this room. But it is, yeah, a lot smaller than I expected. So this is the closet. You got some drawers and a safe, but again, and a mirror. No fridge. Okay, so let's go across the hallway and I'll lock this room up. So this is 1005, and we also have 1000.
Are you done? So what are we gonna do with the no fridge thing?
So I do have, that is a cooler, and I'm just gonna have to add ice to it every day. As long as we keep it shut, it is a Arctic.
How do we get on top of that building over there?
I don't know.
There's a little bungalow.
There's a museum down there.
I want to go to the Bacon Bakery. It just drinks coffee and all that, but it's like weed infused.
It's great. That's right down there. Wake and Bake. What's it called? Wake and Bakery.
It's a bakery, but it's just all like.
Is it part of Trader Joe's?
No, it's drinks, treats, gummies, cakes, cookies, tea, cake. Well, it already says cake, but it's just all weed infused.
Yummy nerd throat.
But it's everything you eat. It's gonna make you